Tired of copy-pasting contacts between Follow-Up Boss and Mailchimp? Well, get ready to supercharge your marketing because we're about to unlock the secret to posting directly from Mailchimp using your Follow-Up Boss database in just a few simple steps. First, head over to your Follow-Up Boss account. Now, navigate to the People tab. This is where the magic begins because this is where all of your contacts are stored. The key here is segmentation. Click on Add Filter and start segmenting your audience. Think about demographics, lead source, deal stage, anything that helps you target specific groups within your database. For example, let's say you want to target all leads from Zillow who are currently in the nurturing stage. Set those filters accordingly. Once you've created your perfectly targeted segment, click on the Export button. Choose the CSV format. This is the file type Mailchimp loves. Now, jump over to your Mailchimp account, click on the Audience tab, then select Import Contacts. Choose the CSV or TXT file option and upload the file you just exported from Follow-Up Boss. Mailchimp will walk you through mapping the fields. Make sure the columns in your CSV file, like email address and name, are correctly matched to the corresponding fields in Mailchimp. Finally, Mailchimp will give you the option to add these contacts to a specific segment or tag within Mailchimp. This is where you align these contacts to that specific marketing campaign. This will keep your database organized. And that's it. You've successfully posted from Mailchimp using your Follow-Up Boss database. Say goodbye to manual data entry and hello to hyper-targeted campaigns that drive results.